Bring to flash out there. But wait, let me change
no change.
How the money done? Tell me how the money done.
Ruth is getting on top of my last nerve in this place. Eh? I go in the bathroom and she come in there behind me. Eh? She forgets very early that she's the second wife. She come here and see me and Jeremiah, and she want to break us up. Eh? And everything she tells Jeremiah believe that witch. Eh? I go in the bathroom. Eh? She come in there. She want to do something in the bathroom as well. Eh? I didn't know that we were Siamese twin. Every turn I turn, that wicked witch is behind me. Eh? You play with me, Ruth. You play with me. Eh? And that idiot Jeremiah outside. Eh? But he's pluming flowers. He's pluming flowers. And every day when this woman antagonizing me in my own house, he's not here to defend me. And I bet you when he come in here, eh? He's going to believe her. He's going to believe anything she say. But the both of them will see what I'll do with them. The both of them. She's in the bathroom. You wait until she come out here. You wait. You think I'm running out of here to give to you? Oh? This is my place. Eh, you come here, come and see me. It's hell and powder house in here. I guarantee you. Josiah. You think me not hear where you sit down in there and say about me and my husband? Who you talking to? Ruth! I don't care what you want to say. Yeah, me might be the second lady, but I mean love her. You got tired to see my face. But you can't get me out of the race. What are you saying to me? Me, Josiah, I got tired to see your face. But me can't get you out of the race. The same train that bring you in is going to take you out. I bet you, oh. Eh? I don't care what you want to say, girl. But look here. Me not run from you. You hear me? Yes! I am Madam Josiah. I don't care if you want to beat your chest and talk about your name, Josiah. Well, Josiah. My name Ruth. I'm gonna run my from you. You hear that? That no why you know. I'm glad you know, say. When Jeremiah come, Jeremiah gonna believe everything what me say. Cause guess more, me young and fresh. I look good. My heart look how your hair dry. You come and talk about my hair is dry. Jeremiah ain't spending no money on me. I know it's you. You tell him that he mustn't give me any money to do my hair. But you don't worry. You don't worry a bit. You will see what is going to take place in here. I know you do something to my husband, Jeremiah. Oh. I know you do something. You think I don't know you go to the juju man for Jeremiah? Josiah, my dog, I forgot no juju man for all Jeremiah. Because guess more, girl, I have the full package. You see that? Young and look good. You made me lose my testimony yesterday. You won't let me lose it today, oh. I bet you won't let me about what God have in store for me and Jeremiah. You gotta take that train faster than how you take it to come here to leave me. You hear me? You hear me? You better get up and don't argue with me in this house. You hear what I'm saying? You hear what I'm saying to you, Ruth? You better leave Madam Josiah alone. You know you are very picky. Eh? From I see you, I see trouble. Let me tell you something, girl. You talk about say. You now make you lose your testimony. Every day as long as me there, you're going to lose your testimony. Remember me tell you. You hear me say? And point of correction. You talk about me take train come here. Me don't take train. It's taxi. I have to hire to carry me. You don't see me. You don't see me. Stop worry yourself because guess what? Your blood vessel I go bust. Because you see me come to take over. You hear me I have to tell you? Me come to take over so. It's either you live with that or you die with that. Come in all the same. You hear me, girl? Sometimes you did argue up yourself. Yeah, we're going to do something to your ear because your ear dry like. Me don't like you, you know. So for the first time I come here, me know say me don't like you, you know. Me know say you pretend say you're a Christian. Yeah, and you go on like say, use all this nice woman come and smile when you see me come. But me did see the body eye behind it. You see me never see you? Me did ready for you. Me know you know. Me know people like you. You are a wicked girl. You talk about your Christian and lose testimony. You never did have no testimony long time. Stop bothering me in this house. Because guess what? Every day you see me, you got tired for see me face. But you can't get me root out of the race. You hear me?
Some SMS change. Bring to flash out there. But wait, let me change them.
Don't change. How the money done? Tell me how the money done. Me just buy the flower, you a tell me money done. How the money done? Cashier, how the money done? Me no buy the chicken bag, yet fi curry down. How the money done? Tell me how the money done. Me just buy the flower, you a tell me money done. How the money done? Cashier, how the money done? Me no buy the chicken bag, yet fi curry down.
Just get pace and me I go buy some stuff. Take up island flour with rice and stuff. Keeping it simple because time is tough. 2 breeze soap for me clothes, nice it up. Tin mackerel and sardine. Inna the chale me a pack them all in. Couple chocolate bar for me darling. Tough crackers and biscuit falling. Chicken box